Hi guys, Frank from MINUTEMAN Tile. We are a custom residential tile installation company serving the Boston area. This is our 50th year in 2020, and we were looking for a new look for our company with our website, photography, and social media. We contacted Jared at Impact 90 to help deliver those needs and answer all of our questions that we needed. He was great to work with, very helpful, especially as a small business owner. I wasn't always available, but he always was, and it just made the process a lot easier and streamlined everything a lot faster. He also, him and his team, they helped redesign our logo, as you can see, and it just came out great. Couldn't be more happier with the product, the end result. And all of our clients, builders, homeowners, architects, designers all love it as well. We've got positive feedback, and we couldn't thank Jared from Impact 90 and his team enough. Take care, guys. Bye.